DigiFantasy has two powerful memberships, the Fantasy Bundle and the AI Sleep Generator. But which one is actually right for you? Let's compare. The Fantasy Bundle at $59 a month gives you access to the three tools: the DFS Optimizer for spotting mispriced lines, the Fantasy Scores page for comparing player projections, and the Middling tool, which highlights opportunities to profit from line differences across apps. This membership is great if you like hands-on research and building your own sleeps with data-driven confidence. The AI Sleep Generator at $299 a month is built for convenience. It uses advanced algorithms to auto-generate profitable correlated sleeps on Prize Picks, Underdog, and Better. You just sort, reveal, and tail. If you don't want to spend time analyzing data, this membership does the heavy lifting for you. So here's the choice: Fantasy Bundle for research, AI Sleep Generator for automation. Click my link in the description to sign up for DigiFantasy and pick the plan that matches your style.